Yeah, machine fall down here, yeah. So for now, listen to that no man. Can't guess how why, you know. Come out, I'm away with that no man.